Is Kraken safe for beginners? Hook. Have you ever wanted to learn a new language but felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of options available? Or perhaps you've tried learning a language in the past but haven't had much success. If so, then Kraken may be the perfect language learning platform for you. Context. In today's world, it's more important than ever to be able to speak multiple languages. With globalization, more and more people are traveling and working abroad. And even if you don't plan on leaving the country, being able to speak a second language can open up a whole new world of opportunities. Thesis. Kraken is a safe and effective way for beginners to learn a new language. It offers a comprehensive and structured approach to language learning, making it easy for even the most novice learners to get started. Kraken's safety features. Kraken is a safe and secure platform for learning a new language. All of your data is encrypted and protected, and there is no risk of your personal information being shared with third parties. Kraken also offers a number of features that help to protect children. For example, you can set parental controls to limit the amount of time your child spends on the platform, and you can also block certain content. Kraken is a great choice for beginners because it offers a comprehensive and structured approach to language learning. The platform provides a variety of resources, including lessons, quizzes, and interactive exercises, to help you learn a new language at your own pace. Kraken also offers a number of features that make it easy to stay motivated and on track. For example, you can set goals for yourself and track your progress over time. You can also join a community of other learners and get support from other users. Kraken's effectiveness. Kraken is an effective way to learn a new language. In fact, studies have shown that students who use Kraken are able to learn a new language more quickly and effectively than those who use traditional methods. Kraken is effective because it provides a comprehensive and structured approach to language learning. The platform covers all of the key aspects of language learning, including grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and conversation. Kraken is also effective because it is designed to be engaging and fun. The platform uses a variety of interactive activities, such as games and quizzes, to keep you motivated and interested. Kraken's affordability. Kraken is a very affordable way to learn a new language. The platform offers a variety of subscription plans to fit your budget. Kraken is also affordable because it offers a number of free features, such as a limited number of lessons and quizzes. Kraken's customer support. Kraken offers excellent customer support. If you have any questions or problems, you can contact the Kraken support team via email or chat. Kraken is also available on social media, so you can get help and support from other users. Kraken is a safe, effective, and affordable way to learn a new language. It is a great choice for beginners who are looking for a comprehensive and structured approach to language learning. If you are looking for a safe and effective way to learn a new language, I highly recommend Kraken. If you are interested in learning more about Kraken, please visit the Kraken website. You can also sign up for a free trial to see if Kraken is right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. In addition to the tips mentioned in the script, here are a few other things to keep in mind when using Kraken. Be patient. Learning a new language takes time and effort. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they are learning a new language. Use the resources that Kraken provides. The platform offers a variety of resources to help you learn a new language, so take advantage of them. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the better you will become at speaking a new language. I hope this script is helpful.